This is how to connect your scenario projects to your Google Calendar, because you're going to see this Connect Calendar button here now. You can click on that directly and it's going to take you right there. You can also open your account and go to connect. So the first step here is going to be to connect a Google account. I already have one connected here. You can connect a new one, whichever one you want to use to show events in your calendar. And then you're just going to turn on Sync Projects to Calendar. So I'm going to hit this and it's going to take me to Google, where I'm going to give it an additional permission. I'm going to allow that. And when it comes back to scenario, it's going to tell me that the Google Calendar is connected. So now I can see that if I go to connect, this is on, and it tells me what that calendar name is going to be. Now when I go over to my calendar, sometimes you'll have to refresh it, and you're going to see this new scenario calendar. And you can already see that because I have this project there with dates, that project shows up as all-day events. Now if I go change those dates, or if I just turn off that project, it's going to keep it updated. So let's say it extends a day. So now it's the 10th through 14th. You see that's uploading to the cloud. And if I go to the calendar, now it goes all the way through the 14th. Now I can do things to this. I can change its name. I can add new events to this calendar. Those changes are not going to go backwards into scenario. They're just going to be here in your calendar. But any changes you make to scenario project dates are going to show up in your calendar. The other thing that you can do, you can turn off individual projects just by doing that. And then if you go and turn off the entire project sync, then that is going to remove those events from your calendar. In fact, it's going to remove that whole calendar from your calendar. And you'll just have to confirm that before you do it. You can always turn it back on. It will just resync based on the project data that it has. But that is how Calendar Sync works.